Series 1. What's up, guys? Joe. Live with break 1351. Series 1, 16, 17. We have a double box break to do. So let's start. By the way, guys, we have 5 cases of Black Diamond on Facebook. So go visit our Facebook page if you want a team, or join our Facebook page. So we start with pack number 1. We have a canvas Toronto Morgan Riley. Pack number 2, we have a Shining Stars Blue Anaheim Ducks Ryan Getzlaf. Next pack, we have a UD Game jersey Washington Capitals John Carlson. We have a Shining Stars for the Pittsburgh Penguins Sidney Crosby. Portraits for the Tampa Bay Lightning Victor Edmond. Oh, nice! So our first Young Gun goes, can I have one touch, please? Goes to the Toronto Maple Leafs, Austin Matthews. There you go, Toronto, Austin Matthews Young Gun. And Frank is coming here to give me a one touch, of course. If you want your card great, just message us and we'll send it for you to Beckett. Next, we have a Shining Stars for the Florida Panthers, Jonathan Huberdeau. Or Ubi-Dooby-Doo. Next pack, we have a Young Gun Buffalo Sabres auction fashion. We have a portrait for the Anaheim Ducks, John Gibson. Canvas, Tampa Bay Lightning, Ben Bishop. We have a Young Gun, Florida Panthers, Dennis Morgan, of course. What a surprise. We have a clear cut, Detroit Red Wings, Jonathan Erickson. And we have a Super Console, Calgary Flames, Brendan Bollig. Next pack, we have a Super Console for the Flyers, Wayne Sennen. We have a Young Gun, Minnesota Wild, Mike Riley. We have a Goalie Nightmare, Detroit Red Wings, Dylan Larkin. Canvas, Pittsburgh Penguins, Carl Hagelin. We have a Young Gun of Nick Schmaltz, Chicago Blackhawks. Goalie Nightmare, St. Louis Blues, Vezmir Tarasenko. We have a portrait for the New Jersey Devil, Pavel Zacha. Young Gun, Chicago Blackhawks, Tyler Motte. We have a canvas of Kyle Palmieri, New Jersey Devil. Goalie Nightmare, Toronto, James Van Riemsdyk. Heavy Portraits for the St. Louis Blues, Robbie Fabry. And the last pack of box number 1. Heavy Shining Stars for the Tampa Bay Lightning, Ben Bishop. He's not that shiny this year because he's goalie number 2. Vasilevsky is now the starting goaltender for Tampa Bay. Box number 2. Box 2. Pack 1. We start with a purchase for the St. Louis Blues, Vladimir Tarasenko. Pack number 2, we have a Young Gun, New York Islanders, Alan Quinn. We have a Shining Stars Blue, Winnipeg Jets, Mark Scheifele. Beauty Game jersey for the Edmonton Oilers, Connor McDavid. Portraits, Nashville Predators, Ryan Johansson. We have the Shining Stars for the Boston Bruins, Brad Marchand. We have a canvas for the Dallas Stars, John Klingberg. We have a Young Gun, LA Kings, Nick Dowd. We have a Super Codicil for the Florida Panthers, Alex Petrovic. Young Gun, Winnipeg Jets, Josh Morrissey. You have a canvas for the Dallas Stars, Tyler Seguin. You have a Shining Stars for the Calgary Flames, Sean Monahan. Super Colossal LA Kings, Kyle Clifford. Young Gun, Ottawa Senators, Nick Paul. We have your portraits, Carolina Hurricane, Justin Falk. We have a canvas, LA Kings, Anze Kopitar. Young Gun, Montreal Canadiens, Arturi Lehkonen. We have a Goalie Nightmare, Ottawa Senators, Mark Stone. We have a Goalie Nightmare, Arizona Coyotes, Max Domi. Canvas, Chicago Blackhawks, Corey Crawford. We have a Shining Stars for the New Jersey Devil, Corey Schneider. Goalie Nightmare, Pittsburgh Penguins, Sidney Crosby. We have a portrait for the Arizona Coyotes, Max Domi. And our last pack, we have a Young Gun for the New Jersey Devil, Pavel Zacha. So that's it for Series 1. I'll be right back with break number 4 of the evening. Single box break of the Cup 14-15.